Hello, hi, I've been dying to try these spicy marinated crabs. I had them before in a restaurant, so good, but so expensive. This is how it was served. You eat it with rice, nori, fish roll, and some butter. Sorry that I sound like shit, I'm like super hungover right now. Eat like a Korean, although I'm not. It is 12 at night and I'm cooking. These are frozen crabs I got from Galleria. So cheap that I actually don't remember the price. I got 2 bags of these, so I have 8 crabs in total. I got the frozen ones because my weak ass is really scared of bacteria. I hope I don't die after this, which I didn't. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here talking and editing this stupid video. Anyways, I'm not gonna waste the legs. For the marinade, I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tablespoons of gochugaru, 4 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. This is vodka. 3 tablespoons of sugar, some garlic and ginger, some sesame seeds. I don't have to explain these steps, just do, okay? You put them in a container and then you put it in the fridge overnight. You want to be extra cautious handling these dinosaurs, okay? Like, don't end up like me. It is now the next day. We know because it's a different time and I'm wearing a different top. Drizzle some sesame oil before you eat.